What's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in. So I just wanted to do a really quick video. I'm currently on a trip. Y'all, I did not realize I was taping vertically until I got to the airport. I spent $153 round trip from Chicago to Los Angeles, which I thought was a really good deal. Now, because I purchased my ticket on Priceline, I got United Airlines. Because my ticket, I guess I got the basic, I didn't get any upgrades because I wasn't paying extra. I didn't get a free carry-on, which you normally get. So I was only able to bring one personal item to put under the seat in front of you. And it had to be certain inches and certain dimensions. So what I went ahead and did, I fit everything into one book bag, right? So I fit one dress, which was a pretty big dress, 4 outfits, bathing suit, cover up, pajamas, hygiene products, 3 pairs of shoes. I think I said that already. Flat iron, even though it doesn't look like I flat iron my hair. That's another story. So anyway, I needed a couple of jackets, a few different purses to choose from, but I had to consolidate and get everything. So whatever. Anyway, my mom said dress in layers. So I listened to mom, right? So not only did I get everything that I needed into my book bag, I got everything dressed in layers. So I have on my sweatshirt, right? I have a leather jacket on, right? I have on a trench coat because I needed something like dressy, kind of somewhat to go over the dress. And I also have this fanny pack right here, right? And then I have this fanny pack right here. So a lot of y'all on my Snapchat thought that I wasn't gonna make it through security with everything on, and that they were probably gonna, you know, say something or whatever. I don't know, tell me that I couldn't bring, I don't know, whatever, but I made it. So I'm gonna do the same thing going back and see if I still get through. So I will go ahead and keep you all updated and let you know when I get to the airport. I just wanted to briefly show you all my poor little book bag that is about to burst because I stuffed it so much. But y'all, I got everything. It's like stuffed, like, look, like bursting out. So the airport is extra dead today, which is good. So hopefully it won't take long to go through security. So y'all, I am about to go through security. Don't mind the Mufasa mane, okay? So now I gotta take all of this off. Ooh, almost fell. See, y'all said I was looking all suspicious and stuff. So I got through security, but they did throw away my gold eco styling gel, which I'm a little disappointed about. I had to purchase that gel to do my bun last night, but it's cool because I got another brand new one at home. So I'm just gonna head to my gate. I'm going home. So y'all, the moral of the story is I'm cheap and I saved 60 bucks. So I am happy. It has been a very successful trip. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.